ትላንት ቮድካ አስወረድኩ እኮ ማታ ቮድካ አስወረድኩ ክለብ አቦርሽን አረኩ ማስወረድ ምንድነው ቮድካ አቦርሽን ቮድካ ማንም እንኳን ከናት የለም እንደዚህ የተመታ ፋራ ነው እንዴት ተሰበሰባችሁት ባላለሽ
አቦርሽን አረኩ
ባላለሽ
No, I'm single.
ባላለሽ ማለት በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድነው do you like kissing አዎ ትርጉም እኮ ቀላል ነው
Yo, busy, I'm dying.
you like
Guys,
kissing
get the speed.
guys ስድስት አበባ
what is means is in English of
guys
Huh?
ሞክሪ ባትልሽ ሶሪ ታውተና ስጀነጅልሽ who is ማለት ምንድነው በእንግሊዘኛ where are you live?
Canada.
Where are you live?
where are you going
Canada? Oh really? You know where I am?
No.
We live in the same country.
You live in Canada?
How can I know? I don't know. How can I don't know still now? If you live in Canada, I stay more than 15 years, something like that. I live in Canada.
Where do you live? Where do you live? Where in Canada?
Canada?
Yeah, where? Huh?
boqoji.
Guys, use the double team. What do you? Okay, never mind.
Yeah, listen now.
Devil.
I live in Canada in boqoji. You don't know boqoji?
second
No.
Edmonton.
Oh, you actually live in Canada?
Yeah, I live in Canada, of course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you
Like 15 years. I stay there like more than 15 years in Canada. Even my family so over there in Canada, they live.
Okay.
Maybe you know my sister.
Who's your sister? What's her name?
My sister? Bakkala Gurumu.
Your sister?
Yeah, my sister is Bakkala Gurumu. Maybe you know her. She's a dancer. She's professional dancer. Maybe she's your friend. She told me about you.
You literally said you know me.
Yeah, you have the same job.
What's her job?
Her job? Her job is listen. Anna saga maser.
Huh?
ወራጅ እንጨት ታውቂያለሽ? ልጅቷ ተመቸችኝ ገባናት ፈታለች URSTVWXYZ እሺ I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Yeah, so when እንገናኝ
I know.
I'm free.